here if we just observe, we are still left with few values which can be replaced with a dynamic value. The selector over here and the selector over here. Because right now they have the value of apple cranberry winter punch recipe. But if I'm trying to search for some other fruit other than apple, say banana, this will end up failing. So what we have to do is, we have to take the value from this particular extract table. It has got the values in this pattern. It has two columns, name and URL. The name will contain the recipe name and the URL will contain the relative URL. Now, as we are able to use the URL from this particular data table, in the same manner we can use the name of the recipe from that particular data table. To do that, just delete this double quotes and then double plus, use row of column of that particular, its name here, dot toString. Okay, and then just try to add an asterisk over here. Asterisk in C language, or for that matter any other language, is a wildcard entry. It will try to match if I have got the recipe name as banana cookies. Now it will match, and I have another one as banana cookies recipe. Okay, so this will match both this and this text. So this is capable of matching this and this, because asterisk over here resembles that we should have banana cookies and the rest of the other things can be anything. So this is good here. And then moving forward, we have to change the part of this selectors too. Here we are, just take that off and add double quotations, row of, name of that column is name, toString, and then add asterisk over here, and then OK. If you are confused about wildcard entries, there are different kind of wildcard entries. One is asterisk to match, to ignore, basically to ignore one or more characters, and there is an question mark which can ignore only one character. If you are entering one question mark, it will ignore one character. If you are entering two characters, two question marks. Okay, done. That is how we have actually replaced the static values with a dynamic. So the code is now capable of handling any number of inputs or any number of recipes.